like this. So that is what we can do. Next one. So here you can see the gestures are different, right? Now this is not an ordinary form. When you click any of the text fields, you can see the virtual keyboard address, right? If you want, you can type. The next slide. So this is the most interesting part. Because for example, if I put the phone here, it's been recognized. What I have to do here is these are the machines. In between that, I then if I want exchange resources. So selecting these first one is the contact list. The second one is a voltage set. And the last one is setting the weight. So I don't need the first one. I know it. I need these two. So I simply that it and put here. So it's been added to the phone. Next one. Simple as that. Right? Okay. So that's it. We'll move on to the next slide as well. And to stop my demonstration, I would like to invite Dr. Sir on stage so that we can have great detail about the that and what's actually happening here.
We have research, we have research, and today unfortunately I got two devices. If you could have connected me, so after he did it, this thing was not responding. And he was wondering why this is here. I thought something is wrong, so that's why I asked if you can remove the computer. So those things happen. Even in a drama, those things happen. You have to improvise. You have to hear someone else. It's rehearsal. You need my I got late. Nothing was done. There is nothing more than PowerPoint here. Everything we did in the PowerPoint animation. So maybe he is the only CS student who received an A for his project without writing any piece of code. So one at a time, in his defense, Professor Bodhikar nearly dropped from his seat. He asked 3 times, "You built a vision system without a camera?" He said, "No, sir, I didn't use a camera." "You mean it without a camera?" He said, "No." So he didn't mention anything about this Visakanta's approach. And people were not familiar with it. They were about to fail it. Then I jumped in and I gave an explanation, and then that earned him an A. So he was an ambitious student. For the first whole semester, he came to me and said, "Yes, I can build a table computer here, a low-cost table computer." So first the semester we are in. So the first whole semester, he found YouTube videos, other libraries, other prototypes, and tried to get a photocopy box, transparent sheet and everything. Nothing worked. So one day I told him, Iran, there is something called visa dollars. You don't have to build anything. You can hunt to visit or you can walk. So hunting means how many of you know hunting? As American word you know, it is hunting, so you hunt the word as close as to your road. But your opponent will get it. If you grab it, you have a chance. So we mock everything. I just gave him an idea. Next week he came with the world. He was more knowledgeable about visa controls than myself. He said visa controls and the other one what is? Paper prototyping. Because for his thing, visa controls was not enough. He want for his work, he need visas of the workers. He need multiple visas because he was thinking about interactive table, 4 people coming, 4 people interacting simultaneously. So one person can't complete everything and do. So he used something called paper prototyping. So he printed everything, every screen. Screens are named on the table. So he asked, okay, this is if you got this type of a screen, what would you do? Okay, that person might touch, drawing some letters, I will touch here, I will touch here, I will touch here. Ideally, we should have all the parts printed, but these are daunting tasks. So he had some pre-coded parts. So then so he guides, okay, let's try touching here. Meeting the user, yeah, we have some future of printouts. When that person touches, yeah, so he lays out something else, so it moves on. And for the demonstration, we created this. So I'm the wizard. I'm the wizard of course. So you all were the users. So the idea is that we mock things, we punch things, so that user will get the feeling that as if the user is interacting with the actual system itself. So that Maypole project is like that. It had a mechanical reason. But sometimes we might not even have enough electronics to have the mechanics, so we will use something very human. So that's so you can use this for your research. Now, one problem that not a problem, maybe something that hinders your progress. I think somebody else, we like to build something new, we want to do something new. We don't like to get others first, we want to build something else. Because of that, you are going to mean the people over and over again. Where you can find. So now you give an idea. And then only somebody else, a technical person, a company might say, this is a good idea. Why not try to put everything into a small phone? Why can't we put this software in the laptop into a phone? So then the development process happens. Again, I think this is moving a little bit away. Science fiction. How many of you read science fiction? So, people say that Arthur C. Clarke predicted the future. I don't see it that way. I see scientists made the future Arthur C. Clarke envisioned. Arthur C. Clarke was a creative man, creative, so they just create. And then scientists think, why can't we do this? So let's try. So they take it as their vision or something, and things like that. How many of you have watched the movie Hugo? So your is the character is the real character. So he was, yeah, I asked my CSP to logic, but I did comment about it, right? So that trip to the moon was done in maybe 19, not the early part of the 19th century. Right? But we actually went to the moon in around 1968. That might have been the reason to build a rocket like that and try to go to the moon. So this is the power. You can do extremely creatively with these those approach without putting your sweat and effort to try to actually build it. Let somebody else build it. But you will be the visionary who will propose. So that's my take here. I think that's what I wanted to link to her. And we should thank Dylan for coming here and doing that. Yeah, you can clap.